Good morning to all. In today's video, we'll see how to construct the Turing machine to copy a string or at the end of input tape over the alphabet A B. Construct TM to copy a string. Understand the problem. Suppose input tape consists of the string A B. Okay, this one is the input string. Before and after this string there are the blank cells on the tape and pointer is here. Now we want to copy this AB at the end of this tape. Okay, so we will keep the separation between this and one blank we will keep, and we will copy this A here, A, and here B, and this will be erased. Okay, so how to do this one? The logic is simple. Whatever the first symbol you will get, convert it into blank, keep moving towards the R, keep the first blank as it is. When second blank will convert it into that same symbol. Repeat this one. Now while coming from right to left hand, keep the first blank as it is, this blank as it is. A and B will be as it is, and you have to move up to the blank. Okay, see here for this one. Okay, I will write here to this side B, A, B, B, B. These are the input symbols. Now here is the current state. Then here the first symbol is A. Okay, so A will be as it is. This A we have to convert into B. So B, this A will be converted into B. Remaining symbols will be as it is, and pointer is here. Okay, now keep the B as it is. Now again pointer will come, this first B as it is toward the right side. When second B will come now, so this B we have to copy it by the same symbol which we have converted into B. So B, this B, capital B, and this A. Okay, now pointer is here. Now after converting the second blank into A, now change the direction to left. Keep the first B as it is. Okay, then this as it is till the second B. Okay, and again repeat the procedure. When second B will come, again change the direction. It will read this B. This B will be converted into blank. Okay, now pointer will go on toward the right side. Keep the first blank as it is, A as it is. This is the second B. Now second B will be converted into B. This is nothing but the B. And thus stop the process. Do this one. And after B, okay, after B, if you get here the first B, okay, this first B, then stop the procedure. Okay, now we'll see the how to construct the transition diagram for this one. Q0, okay, I need the more space for this one. Okay, Q0 state. Okay, now here the first number initial symbol can be A or can be B. So there is a same procedure, parallel procedure. If A is there, convert it into blank Q1. This A will come, convert it into blank. Okay, now we want to copy this A to the at the end, second B. Okay, so keep moving towards the right. Okay, so remaining A as it is, remaining B as it is, keep moving towards the R. When first blank will come, keep the blank as it is, again move towards the R, Q2, and you will get now here the second blank. Okay, see, we are keeping the separation between the actual number and the copied number. So second blank we will convert this into the same number A. and I now change the direction to L. Now here we will change the direction to L. Now when this B is converted into A, now we will come back here. So first B will be as it is. Again keep moving toward the L. Here the remaining A and A will be as it is L, B will be as it is L. When the B will come here firstly, again there can be the symbols A or B's, so we want to keep all A and B as it is. Keep moving toward the L, B as it is, keep moving toward. These are the A and B of a copied number and these are of the original numbers. After reading the original number to left side, it will come back to the this blank, okay, second blank. Now repeat the procedure. Repeat the procedure. Change the direction to second blank, okay. Now the same things we will note down for the B symbol. If B is there, convert it into B, move towards the R, Q1. Then remaining symbols, A as it is R, B as it is R, then first blank as it is R, sorry, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, then first blank as it is, then second blank when it will come, this will be converted into B, and now change the direction. Now between this first and second blank, again these copied elements can be there. So A oblique R, moves R, B, B, R. Similarly here, A as it is towards R, B as it is towards the R. Now here it will come back to this state and the remaining process is same. Okay. Now this is the transition diagram. See here again, logic is very simple. I will explain with the help of this again. Suppose this AB is the input. Before this input and after this input blank cells are there. Now initially pointer is here. It will read first symbol. It can be A or B. So first symbol is here A. Then it will be converted into B. Keep moving toward the right. This B, that is the remaining symbol of the given number, will be as it is. Okay. So this A and B will be as it is. Similarly here. Okay. A is converted into B. If B is there, B is converted into blank cells and R. This one is done. When first blank will come as it is. When second blank will come, now convert it into B. Again now change the direction towards the this. This B is converted into A. Now again it will come here. This B is converted into A. This will come here. Then here until what? This blank cell. Okay. And when this B was there, this small b was converted into capital B. Okay. And here it will going to move on. Now after this B moving towards the right side, if no A or no B is there, okay, that means it will get the blank cell. It will get the blank cell. If the blank cell gets, immediately keep the blank as it is and stop the procedure and accept the go on the accept halt. Okay, that means here we copied the string at the end of the tape. Okay, so this way we can copy a string at the end of a tape over the alphabet AB. Instead of AB there can be any symbols. Okay, so this is the logic and the transition diagram. Okay, wait, I will construct it again. Okay, with neat diagram in front of you. Again see here, Q0 initial state, If A is there, convert it into B, R. Similarly, if B is there, convert it into B and R. Then remaining A as it is R, remaining B as it is R. Similarly here, remaining A as it is R, remaining B as it is R. Then first blank as it is R. Then second blank AL, and when here it will come back to the common state. Here the A and A will be as it is, B will be as it is. When the first blank will come, okay, Q4 state, first blank to the left side we have to keep as it is. Then remaining A and B will be as it is. When second blank will come, it will repeat the procedure. After second blank, again while in the iteration, if it don't get A or B, then it will get immediately the simple blank cell. Then stop the procedure. That is nothing but the accept all. So this way we can construct the Turing machine to copy a string at the end of a tape. Thank you all. You can name the states there: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. Thank you all.